Discount alert! OnePlus Watch 2 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro available at all-time low. Wake up, fellas, as the opportunity to grab the best deals on OnePlus Watch 2, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and the Kishi V2 Pro USB-C Gamepad grip is at the door. And that too without having to trade an arm and a leg. They recently released OnePlus Watch 2, and it's been listed at a price of $250, down from its original cost of $300, which is letting it grab headlines among the top deals that have surfaced so far on high-end wearables and gadgets. Similarly, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can be laid hands on for only $200. And lastly, the Kishi V2 Pro USB-C Gamepad grip is now available at $97, down from $150, which is its original price. Listed at an all-time low of $250, dipped from $300, the OnePlus 2 is being offered on discount in both black and radiant steel colors. The similar $50 discount was extended by the company during the trade-off offers. Given that, making this discount offer outshine the rest is that you don't have to bid farewell to an existing variable this time. OnePlus delivers what an average customer finds in a smartwatch, and the new OnePlus Watch 2 is exemplary of that, offering battery lifespan of over 100 hours, or say 4 full days, while running on Google's Wear OS 4 platform. It's powered by a Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chip that makes it a powerhouse of performance, buried under a 1.43-inch AMO LED display hood. Moreover, the smartwatch is rated with 5 ATM water resistance levels. Amazon is currently providing a significant discount on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which is now available at its lowest price ever. The durable smartwatch is now priced at $200, down from its regular price of $450, resulting in a $250 discount and the best deal to date. Samsung's top-of-the-line Galaxy Watch 5 Pro offers the standard fitness tracking technology, but with a more luxurious and durable design compared to the newer models in the lineup. The titanium case ensures protection for all the features, including the round sapphire glass display and 3-in-1 bioactive sensor for tracking workout metrics, along with an accurate body temperature sensor. Amazon is currently offering the Razer Kishi V2 Pro Android Gamepad for $97, down from its original price of $150. Making it an all-time low on Amazon. This deal saves you $53 and is the second best offer since January. The Razer Kishi V2 Pro is the most advanced version of gaming grips available, packed with numerous features. The Razer Kishi V2 Pro USB-C Gamepad grip comes with HyperSense haptics, bringing the rumble vibration features of a home console to a handheld device. It also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio pass-through to a gaming headset, as well as a dedicated Xbox button to complement its Microsoft-oriented button layout. In terms of design, the Razer Kishi V2 Pro maintains the familiar adjustable grip design that can be attached to various Android smartphones, such as the Google Pixel 7 and Galaxy S24 Ultra. It features a USB-C connector and a pass-through port for charging.